I'm extremely happy that you've decided to join MVP Affiliate. There's a lot to go through and there's a lot to learn, but the first thing that you need to really focus on is the onboarding. So this is literally the step-by-step process. I'm going to show you how to set up your blog, how to set up that WordPress, and then off to the races you go. So we are going to go and set that up just now. So once you confirm your email, you're going to see and you're going to be brought to the onboarding. So I'm going to explain to you exactly what we do here. So what I see is let's connect your blog. If you already have a blog, you can click here. I have a WordPress blog. And then of course, if you've already done WordPress, then you just go through those motions. It's extremely, extremely easy. If like most of you, you do not have a blog yet, or at least a WordPress blog yet, I'm going to click right here. And it's going to explain to you exactly how to get what we recommend is a Hostinger. I'll offer you, or MVP offers you a 20% off right here on your Hostinger hosting and WordPress blog. If you've already set one up, or once you've set it up, you can actually go and click on this. So first things first, go through Hostinger, get that blog WordPress set up, and then say, I'm ready to set up. So we're going to connect the WordPress blog right now because I've made up this address entirely. So let's see how that works. There you go. So once you put in your blog address right here, this is a test blog, obviously. Once you put in your test blog address or your website address right here, you just click on open WordPress login and you're going to see this happen. So that means you're in. I know it's very confusing. You might get overwhelmed seeing this. There's no worries. Just come back to MVP Affiliate and it's going to give you this 6 little steps. So download the MVP Affiliate plugin. I'm going to download it right now. As you can see, I've got a little number 3 here, but yours should just say mvpaffiliate.zip. So great. And inside of your WordPress admin, which is that overwhelming page we just saw, we're going to go to plugins and add new plugin, and we're going to upload this zip file. So let me show you. Right here on the left bar, you have plugin. So we're going to go here. Here it says add plugin on the top left. I'm going to add plugin, and I'm going to also upload. I don't want to mess with any of this. All I need to do is upload the plugin that I want. So I'm going to go choose file. And the file is right here. It's the MVP Affiliate zip file, and I'm going to install now. So it's doing its thing. It's uploading, installing successfully, and I'm going to click on Activate Plugin. Perfect. So right away, we said activate. A new MVP Affiliate item appears in your WordPress item. So let's go check what that means. Look at this. MVP Affiliate just appeared right here. That's pretty cool. So step 1. And step 2, that is all there is right now. So we're going to click on install and activate the MVP theme. Look at that. Already done. So simple, right? And then the last thing you need to do in this back end is generate the posting key. So I'm going to click on generate posting key. And it's going to give me a bunch of letters and numbers. That's my posting key. So that is true to you. That is literally just your own key. And that token or that key, I'm going to paste right here. I'm going to click connect. And connection is successful. My MVP plugin is installed correctly. My theme is installed correctly. Now I can click on save and next. So there you go. The next thing we need to do is connect YouTube. That is the integral part of MVP Affiliate. Once you have your blog set up, which we just did, by the way, that was a few minutes and that's it. Now we're going to click on connect YouTube. It's going to authorize YouTube, which I'm going to, let's say I'm going to go to my main one, no problem. And I'm going to say trust. Basically, it's giving MVP Affiliate the access to your YouTube to be able to retrieve those videos you've already published or drafted, right? So boom, it is ready to go. I'm going to just say save and next. Then I can put in my Genius Link API key right here and or my Amazon tag right here as well. So I recommend Genius Link. It's super important to have some sort of a cloaking link device, Genius Link works fantastically well. If you don't have a Genius Link, you can click on here and sign up for one right now. And then all of your links will be under your own affiliate. It doesn't matter where the user, where the clicker is in the world, it will send them to the right geolocation for that click. So I'm going to go put in this, put in that. So I'm not going to do that right now. And I'm just going to literally just skip for now, but you would do that part. This one here, I'm going to call my big test. This is literally your blog name, your brand name basically, and your blog site name, your name. So what author, if you're going to choose to actually have the author show up, it could be, in my case, Seb, or it could literally be the blogger, let's call it Mega Blogger. Who knows, right? Doesn't matter. Tagline could be anything like for the best reviews in the West, or I'm just making things up. You put in the tagline you want. And then save and next. 5 of 7. We only have 2 more little steps. Really, really important, this one here. It's train in your writing voice. So yes, MVP Affiliate is going to look at your videos to kind of capture your essence and how you speak, but it's also super important to kind of train it as well. So tell me about you. Write an about you right here in your own words. So write your experience, maybe why you're doing affiliate marketing, anything like that. This is not going to be used. This is only going to be used for your own little central hub, right? So write that here. And then your target reader, give me a paragraph of who's your target reader. Maybe it's people that love DIY jobs around the house. Maybe it's people that love traveling in the summer in an RV. Just make up who your target reader is. It could be just folks in their 30s loving to shop on Amazon. Could be just that, right? So we're gonna I'm gonna skip for now. That doesn't matter. It's customizing your blog. So again, this is reviewer trust block. If you want to have a trust block on top, you can select no. Trust block basically means, why does a viewer, why does a someone landing on your blog site that knows nothing about you, give them just a little excerpt of who you are, so they kind of know this is not just some no-name person or no-name company. This is truly John, Jane, Seb in my case. So I'm going to click Seb. My credibility is collaborated with 6,000 brands in the last 5 years, and blah blah blah. You can add whatever you want that gives you credibility in the game, right? Anything that kind of like is something you would say to a brand or say to a friend even, or a family member, what you do online as an affiliate, what makes you different, right? That's where you want to put that. Show post dates. Some people have asked me to actually have this tacked on or ticked on or off. If you want to have dated, I like to put the date on my blog site because I use my blog site every single day almost, right? So it shows the viewers, it shows people coming into your blog site, man, this thing has been active yesterday. This thing was active this morning, posting new things. I know it's a blog that is active, that's alive, right? That's important. Great. So I'm going to just go save and next. Open face model. So I'm just going to finish there, but let's open face model just so you guys have an idea what that is. Face model basically is you're going to take pictures of your profile, your face, or just take your, kind of like portrait pictures. The more the better. You can take all the way to you can upload all the way to 20 pictures up there. And that's going to help MVP create really, really astonishing thumbnails with your face on it, right? So that's important. It's able to actually grab your face from these reference photos, right? So all you need to do is take those pictures and add a face. Obviously right now, as you can see, I've not upgraded to Pro, and I will be upgrading to Pro in just a second, obviously, but this is a Pro feature as well. You can use for your first 5 blog posts without using Pro. You can do free trial without the face, of course. So we're going to, for now, finish and go to dashboard. Just like that, This is my name, Mega Blogger, as you remember. Welcome back. This is my free trial plan, my little website, and I'm up to date. This is where you see if your blog site is up to date. If I've changed anything, if MVP has any updates, that's where it will show. So super important to see. But for now, this is the first video. You've been onboarded. You are ready to go. This was, in my opinion, pretty easy. I hope you followed along. I hope you have a blast using this tool. And there will be more tutorials explaining exactly how to use the most out of, obviously, the most out of MVP affiliate, whether it's creating content or grabbing the content from YouTube, using that metadata function, doing that social push. There's so many different things. I'm excited to show you everything. But as long as you're now onboarded, we can go to the next video. See you there.